In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a table and text in Google Docs. It's a simple task that can really enhance the overall look of your document, making it more visually appealing and easier to read. Whether you're preparing a professional report, a school project, or just tidying up something personal, aligning your content just right can make all the difference. Let's dive in and get everything centered just the way you want it. First, we're going to focus on centering the text inside your table cells. To do this, start by highlighting the cell or multiple cells that you want to center. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells or holding down the Shift key and selecting each one individually. Once you've highlighted the cells, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of your Google Docs page. There, you'll see a button that looks like 3 lines stacked horizontally, which represents alignment options. Click on this button to reveal several alignment choices. Select the one labeled Center Alignment. This will instantly realign your text, placing it neatly into the center of each selected cell. It's a subtle change that can significantly improve the presentation of your table, giving it a more polished and organized appearance. Now let's move on to centering the entire table within your Google Docs document. This is equally as straightforward. First, navigate to the top right of your Google Docs interface and locate the Table Options button. With just a click, you'll open up additional layout choices. Among these options, select Quick Layouts, where you'll find various preset configurations for your table's position within the document. Select the Center option. This effectively moves your table into the middle of the page, aligning it perfectly between the left and right margins. Doing this not only makes your document look more professional, but also enhances readability, as content that is clearly centered draws the viewer's eye and helps in organizing information logically. And there you have it. That's how you center a table and text in Google Docs. These quick adjustments can transform a plain document into something that looks well thought out and meticulously crafted. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment to let me know. Your feedback is invaluable and helps me craft even more useful content in the future. Lastly, if you're interested in more tips and tricks like this, consider subscribing to the channel. Stay tuned for more, and happy editing.